So today is Monday, the 4th of August, the first week of the new month, like the first trading week of the month of August. And yeah, for my last video, I said I wasn't going to trade on Friday, but unfortunately, I did trade on Friday. So I actually lost three trades on Friday. So no, four trades. Yeah, I lost four trades. One of the trades was actually a very stupid loss. So that took me down a little bit to like the $170 something. So when I woke up today Monday, normally I wouldn't have wanted to trade today because I actually have a lot of things to do today. So I know I will be going out and all that. So but because of the things I did on Friday, I just knew that I needed to take a trade today, and that way I won't be mad at myself if I ended up losing. If I ended up losing, or if an opportunity ended up coming and I was able to take it. So you know what I mean. So let me show you what happens on Friday. Let me be specific with the date. I think Friday should be the first. Yep, Friday should be the 1st of August. So I'm going to show you the results of the trades I took. So right here, you can see that this was Friday trades. I had one loss, two loss, three loss, four loss, and one break even. And the funny thing about this is that these trades were actually moving in profit initially, but I think they did like 122, 121, 122. One of them, the one I took on USDP, was a mistake, by the way. And at the end of the day, all the markets moved in the direction I wanted them to. So I lost those trades on Friday, and yeah, that's all right. Then today, Monday, I took one trade because, as I said earlier, I don't actually have the availability. I was not even supposed to be in the market today, but because I lost on what's it called, on Friday, I decided to trade today. So today I had just one trade, and it happens to be a money trade, and that was like a 1 to 5 as usual, and that was able to like prepare my account back to like a so that prepared my account back to like a 10,427 profit. And so let me give you a breakdown of what I was looking for in the market, right? So as you all know, the strategy I was trading, or the strategy I trade, is MSNR. And one thing that was missing with the strategy that I like, the way I trade it for now, is that it's very good with the direction, but I'm getting fucked up when it comes to entry. So I added another thing to the entry, which was what I've been using to trade this demo account, which I was just trying to see how well it works. And so after the first thing that I find that the daily and the weekly are being bullish, then I find the zones that I'm looking to trade from. Then after refining the zone down to like this 5 minute zone, right? You can see this was the trade I took. I refined it down to this 5 minute zone, and I was able to find my entry right here, right? And that was what gave me the 1 to 5 trade. So that will be it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday, and we'll continue with this demo account. So just to give you a recap, the account is currently sitting at $10,427, and tomorrow we continue from where we stop.
All right, guys. Good morning. So today is Tuesday, and it's just like 20 minutes to 7. As you can see right there. So today is Tuesday, and I'm looking to see what the market is gonna give. Currently, I'm seeing this on 4 hours, which I'm actually looking to take a sell from this zone, and I'm looking at this on USDJPY also to take a buy from this zone. But the thing is, I might be leaving home by 7:30, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to take the sell on gold. But I'm very sure I will not be able to take the buy on USDJPY because that 4 hours can do enough close until 10. So I'm most likely going to miss out on that trade. But let's see how it goes. By 7, the gold um should give me a confirmation entry of what I'm looking for. And if I'm able to get it, I'll be selling on gold. So today's Tuesday. The account still remains 10,427. And yeah, that's where we're at right now. And I'll be back to give you guys an update if I actually take a trade or not. And see you soon. It's another day. It's another day to trade. I think Wednesday, right? And yeah, this is moving in profit, almost eating my TP. Almost hitting my TP. I'm going to 50, and you can see gold is selling pretty well, just a little bit more. So, welcome back, guys. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and we are still right here. Um, I wasn't able to make another video yesterday. When I eventually go back home, it was a little bit late, and I was tired and just slept off, so I did not make any video about what happened for the rest of the day. But I eventually took one trade yesterday before I left home, which happens to be a losing trade. And if you recall, I said I was looking for buys, but I saw the sell scalp, so I decided to take it, and it ended up being a losing trade. And yeah, that happens. That happens. But one thing I've noticed actually is that my execution right now needs a little bit of work on. It needs a little bit of work to be done on it because it's not what I usually envision that it will be for. So the time is currently 9. If I can rotate this thing, 9:20 a.m. So it's still pretty early, and yeah, because of that trade that I lost yesterday, I'm down to 10 I'm down to 10,377, if I can say that right. And yeah, also I saw a little bit of opportunity on USDJPY that I wasn't able to take due to the same reason. My execution right now still needs a little bit of work done, and this is one of the reasons why it's actually important to test a strategy before you take it into the live market to see how potent it is, to make all the possible mistakes that you need to make before you even come to the live market, to see, to really refine it, to make it work for you. And so that's why I'm doing this right now before taking a live market, before at least buying a funded account. All right, guys. So I eventually closed the trade manually because it's getting close to my take profits, and I don't see any reason to just keep sitting there and keep punishing myself and sitting through the discomfort. So I decided to close it. So that was a 231 profit, if you can see. So that's it on gold for today, and the account should be sitting around 10,600 right about now. Is this thing focusing? Yes. So $10,600, and that's it. I'm still looking for additional confirmation to entry, to take a continuation entry. But one thing that I've been learning this week right now, like the things that I see that I'm still struggling with practically, is my execution. Like I really need to work on that thing, on that because I'm still getting out of this camera shit. All right. So I really need to work on that, and I believe if I'm able to get that right, I don't even need to be sitting on chat for hours. All right, guys. So a quick one here. I ran into this obstacle or into this problem of, like, for instance, at the same area there is a buy and a sell. Um, I I I I I think I'm having issues on deciding which of the direction do I keep. So that's something that I've been trying to figure out since. Because of that, I've taken some trades, like I've taken like 2 or 3 trades trying to figure that out. And yeah, three trades and two losses. One just I just opened it and closed it back because my mind was not in the right place at the point. I was trying to figure it out, so I decided to close it back. And so that's why I had those losses right now. That's not something serious. And also, I'm having another buy. Like this is just testing the water, seeing if this thing is actually gonna work or not. So I've already placed another buy right here. Oh, it's not placed yet. Okay, yeah. If it should move to this place, so that will be another buy from this zone, right? So hopefully the buyers I want to go with works out, but I think this is something that might actually prove to be challenging later on with this particular way of trading, with this particular way of entering trade. So I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm just gonna see if I'm able to learn anything from it, and yeah. All right. So that happens to be a losing trade, and yeah, I think this is something I'm going to have to figure out later. I'm back to 10,492. Yeah, so this is something I will have to figure out because if this is gonna be problematic, it's either I find a way to avoid trading when I'm not sure of what the markets want to do, because I'm trying as much as possible to avoid the lower time frame entry zones, like lower time frame direction. So I only want to stick to the higher time frame direction. So if the higher time frame is not clear, then there's high possibility that the lower time frame is gonna be messed up. So yeah, that's something I'll be working on right now, and that's something I'll pay close attention to. So I just want to put this in the video so that you all can see my thought process on how I'm actually trading these demo accounts. No, it's not live accounts, and I want to make as much mistake as possible, just so that I can know what to avoid when it actually comes into the live market. So today is Thursday, and the time is, you can see that. Let me show you this. The time is to 11 right now, and I've already taken three losses today. I've already taken three losses today. So what happened today is that I don't know why, but for some reason I was actually having analysis paralysis, and there are some setups that I was supposed to take, but I was just waiting for something else, waiting for this, waiting for that. And that's an indication that I'm already learning too much. I'm already adding too much to the strategy already. And that's not a good thing. I remember that's what I did with the previous one I was using before it started failing. So I might have to slow down a bit, just stick to the basics and follow the normal rules that I've been using before, because it was really bad. It was really bad. So it would have been one winning trade, two losing trades. But because of that, I have three losing trades right now. I'm still looking to take more trades today. As you know, I have maximum daily drawdown for myself of 300. So I already lost 150. So I can still take three more trades. So yeah, I'm still looking for the opportunity to do that.
Hey guys, today is Saturday, but Thursday was which was kind of a very interesting day because I break my rules. The reason for that was that I said, I think it was on Wednesday, that I was talking about having an obstacle of when there are a lot of close zones that I'm looking to trade from. So it happens on Thursday too, and I take a lot of losses. Why not getting the direction right? And that's one major thing about the strategy, is that you need to be able to get the intermediate direction right for day trades, right? So I took, like, I think 8 trades or 7 trades. Let me count it. Let's count it together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I took 8 trades and I had 7 losses.
8 trades, 7 losses, which was wild, man. It's not little, it's not small. That's a lot of trades. But normally on a normal day, I would have stopped at the sixth trade and call it a day. But I saw two more opportunities and I took it, and it happens to be one loss and one win. And so that left me with a negative 106 on Thursday trade, and the account itself is sitting at 10,461. So the week is quite somehow. I think I started like 10,377, and I traded it up to 600, and now we are down to 461. So that's it. I'll be editing this video together now for you guys to see. And yeah, this is what the journey looks like. It's not boom and gloom. This is what happens behind the scene before profitability setting. So when people see you making money or later seeing results, they tend to feel like it's just a weak job, it's just something you see and start doing for real, but it's what it takes. So catch you on next week. Cheers.